Hey, the PMP exam is one of the most difficult tests for professionals, and we've heard this from everyone. But not to worry, you have a coach who eats the PMBOK for lunch. Here he is to set the record straight for you, your friend Phil.
Thank you very much. Welcome to our data flows for today. We're going to be taking a look at another set of data flows. You know how we roll. Last time we talked about verified deliverables. I believe we also spoke about accepted deliverables. But this time around, we're going to be taking a look at something a little bit different. We're going to be taking a look at something beginning with the letter C. Change requests. You know you love those change requests. Change requests are a big deal on the PMP exam. Oh my goodness, a huge, huge deal. And that's why I decided that today we will uncover where these ubiquitous change requests come from. They are all over the place, or at least they seem to be all over the place. But today we're going to hone in and find out where they actually come from. All right? So let's start off as usual with our little dialogue. We got two processes, A and B. They are related. They are related because of the output from process A. And we're going to take a look at that output from process A. What is the output today? It is change requests. Now you're probably wondering, is that even doable today? Yeah, yes it is. We're going to take a look and find out all the places that change requests come from. Okay, so change requests go into a process B, which I hope you know in your sleep. And from process B, we get an output called approved change requests. So let's go. Let's find out where change requests come from. This one, I'm going to give you 20 minutes to meditate. 20 minutes too much? You'll wish I gave you 20 minutes by the time I'm done. You ready? If not, hit the pause button. If you are ready, or you think you are, here goes. We're going to take a look at those answers. In fact, this one, I can't even tell you the whole story. It's long. So I'll give you the top of the waves. The best way to attack change requests is to think about change requests as each knowledge area is concerned, not process by process. You'll find it tough that way. The best way is to think about them knowledge area by knowledge area. So you could think about develop project charter, okay? Do you get a change request from there? Develop project management plan, do you get one from there? No, they are from direct and manage project work and monitor and control project work within integration, okay? With that same thinking, you go into scope. They don't come from any of the planning processes in scope. They come from the controlling processes. So you got validate scope, you got control scope. You see? Then you take that consciousness and you keep moving through, the list. Okay, I hope you're ready now. Let's take a look at all of these processes, a boatload of processes. You ready? There it is. So we've got direct and manage project work, monitor and control project work, validate scope, control schedule, control cost, manage quality, control quality, AR here, acquire resources, develop team, manage team, control resources, monitor communications, plan risk responses, implement risk responses, monitor risks, plan procurement management, conduct procurement, control procurement, identify stakeholders, which is interesting, manage stakeholder engagement, and monitor stakeholder engagement. All of those processes could give change requests, and all of these change requests are going to go into the perform integrated change control process, and that gives us approved change requests. An approved change request has a journey of its own, which we'll be taking a look at in another episode. So a lot of stuff to absorb. Take a look at change requests and try to understand it at a macro level. But I don't believe you're going to get a whole bunch of questions that test your awareness of where change requests come from, besides the overarching, a lot of the monitoring and controlling processes outside of integration, a few from executing, one from planning, one from initiating, or something to that effect, two from planning. You can count them and find out. But once you have this overarching understanding, I believe you'll be able to answer the questions on the exam that may have a little bit of this. But beyond this, you need to understand the logic for change requests. So when a change request hits perform integrated change control, what happens? I talk about this in lots of videos on YouTube. I need you to go look for those videos on change management and configuration management. Just search in YouTube, Praizion Change Management, Configuration Management. Watch that video. It's about 10 minutes long. It will help you. Here's the mindset. You cannot reject every change request as a project manager, at least you should not, and you cannot accept every change request in reality without doing a number of things first. You have to review the change request. You have to analyze how much are we going to spend if we do this? How many weeks will it set us back by? All of that stuff. And then you have to share those findings with the CCB. CCB, the Change Control Board, will do their own review. Then they approve or reject it. But that information gets put into a change log. You see, it's a long process. That change log gets shared with stakeholders. The outcome of the change request sent in. And ultimately, it could be approved, rejected, put on hold, pending status, whatever it is. So there's a big old dog and pony show that could happen before implementing these change requests. So this is quite a big process to talk about, the entire change management affairs on a project. All right. I hope this gave you some inkling as to what you could experience on the PMP exam. And I hope it helps you. I hope it gives you some understanding that you'll use to ace the test and to better position yourself for the PMP exam. Remember, we offer training and coaching for the PMP exam. So go to the website, praizion.com. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you found this to be useful, and make sure you share it with all your friends so they know we're out here. Take care and speak to you soon. Bye for now.